Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. If you're planning to apply to a university in Switzerland, one of the most important parts of your application is the motivation letter. This letter is your chance to show the admissions committee why you're a great fit for their program and how their university aligns with your academic and career goals. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process of writing a motivation letter for admission to a Swiss university. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to write a compelling motivation letter that increases your chances of admission. Let's dive in. Your information, identifying the applicant. The first section of your letter should include your personal details. Example, your name, your address. City, ZERD, IP code, country. Email address, phone number. This part serves as your letterhead, making it clear who the applicant is. You should include your full name, current address, country, email, and phone number. These details allow the university to easily identify and contact you regarding your application. Date, documenting when the letter was written. After your contact details, you need to include the date on which you're writing the letter. Example, date, March 9th, 2025. The date is essential because universities receive many applications, and an outdated letter could create confusion. Make sure to use the correct format for the country where the university is located. University details. Addressing the right institution. Next, provide the details of the university you're applying to. Example, admissions office. University name, university address. City, ZIP code, Switzerland. This ensures your letter is properly directed to the admissions office of the specific university. Including the correct address adds a professional touch and ensures that your application is processed without delays. Subject line, clearly stating the purpose of your letter. A subject line helps the admissions committee quickly understand why you're writing. Example, subject, application for admission to program name. This should be clear and direct, mentioning the program you're applying for. A strong subject line makes your letter look professional and ensures it is categorized correctly by the admissions office. Salutation, a professional greeting. It's best to use a formal greeting to address the admissions committee. Example, Dear Admissions Committee. Since multiple people may review your application, addressing the admissions committee rather than a specific individual ensures your letter is appropriate for all readers. Opening paragraph, expressing interest in the program. Your opening paragraph should immediately capture the committee's attention by expressing your enthusiasm for the program. Example, I am writing to express my strong interest in applying for the program name at university name. With a deep passion for your field of study, I am eager to pursue my education at your esteemed institution, renowned for its academic excellence, research-driven approach, and international learning environment. This paragraph is important because it clearly states the program you're applying for, shows your enthusiasm for the field of study, highlights why you are interested in this particular university. To make your letter more compelling, research the university beforehand and mention what makes it stand out to you. Academic background, demonstrating your qualifications. This section should highlight your academic achievements and relevant experiences. Example, I have recently completed your most recent degree or qualification from your previous institution, where I developed a strong foundation in relevant subjects or skills. During my studies, I actively engaged in mention any academic projects, research, or extracurricular activities, which enhanced my critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and teamwork skills. My academic performance, coupled with my enthusiasm for continuous learning, has motivated me to advance my knowledge and expertise through this program. This paragraph is crucial because it shows that you have the necessary academic background for the program, highlights key subjects or skills relevant to the field, mentions any research, projects, or extracurricular activities that strengthen your profile, demonstrates your motivation for further studies. If possible, include specific achievements such as awards, publications, or leadership roles that set you apart from other applicants. Why this university? Showing a strong connection. Admissions committees want to know why you chose their university. Example, Switzerland has long been a hub for innovation and academic excellence. and I believe that university name provides the ideal platform to further my aspirations. The mentioned specific courses, professors, or research opportunities that interest you align perfectly with my academic and career goals. I am particularly interested in mention any specialization or research area, as it directly relates to my ambition of explain your long-term career or academic goals. This section should be well researched and personalized. Avoid generic statements that could apply to any university. Instead, mention specific courses or professors whose work interests you. Highlight unique research opportunities or facilities offered by the university. Explain how the program aligns with your future career or research ambitions. By making a strong connection between your goals and the university's strengths, you increase your chances of admission. Personal contributions. What you bring to the university. Universities look for students who will contribute to their academic community. Example, beyond academics, I am eager to immerse myself in the diverse and dynamic student community at university name. Engaging in discussions, collaborative projects, and cultural exchanges. My adaptability, strong work ethic, and commitment to excellence will enable me to contribute meaningfully to the program and the university as a whole. Here's why this paragraph matters. It demonstrates your willingness to engage beyond the classroom. It shows your ability to work with others in a multicultural environment. It highlights qualities such as teamwork, leadership, and adaptability. If you have experience in student organizations, volunteering, or mentorship, this is a good place to mention it. Closing paragraph, reaffirming your enthusiasm. Before signing off, reaffirm your interest and confidence in your application. Example, I am confident that studying at university name will not only equip me with the necessary knowledge and skills, but also provide me with the global exposure and professional network needed to thrive in my career. I sincerely hope for the opportunity to be part of your prestigious institution and would be honored to contribute to its academic community. This paragraph leaves a strong final impression by expressing confidence in the university's impact on your future, reinforcing your excitement about joining the institution, showing appreciation for the opportunity. Polite closing and signature. End your letter with a respectful closing and your full name. Example, thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to your positive response. Sincerely, your name. This ending maintains a polite and professional tone, making it clear that you appreciate the committee's time and effort in reviewing your application. And that's it. You now have a complete guide to writing a motivation letter for admission to a Swiss university. Remember, a strong motivation letter should be personalized, well-structured, and demonstrate your enthusiasm for the program. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Writing Practices, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need more tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your university application.